Hello, wonderful viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're plunging deep into the world of eggplants, those vibrant and versatile vegetables that grace our kitchens in so many delicious ways. Join us as we uncover the incredible benefits of incorporating eggplants into your diet, discuss when it's best to exercise caution, and learn how to make the most of these purple gems for the best results. So, grab a seat and get ready for an eggplant extravaganza of knowledge. Eggplant, whose scientific name is Solanum melangina, is a plant belonging to the Solanaceae family, which includes tomatoes, peppers and potatoes. It is native to India and has been cultivated all over the world due to its unique taste and health benefits. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that is used in various cuisines and has a wide range of nutritional benefits. Next, I will tell you and explain its benefits. Rich in antioxidants, eggplant contains a variety of antioxidants, such as polyphenols and anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties. Improves hair health. Eggplant is a good source of copper, an essential mineral for the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color. In addition, its antioxidant content helps protect hair from oxidative damage and promotes a healthy scalp. Provides energy. Eggplant is a source of complex carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy. The carbohydrates in eggplant are released slowly, which provides sustained energy and prevents blood sugar spikes. Helps control diabetes. Eggplant has a low glycemic index, which means it releases sugar into the blood gradually and prevents glucose spikes. This makes it a suitable food for people with diabetes or who want to control their blood sugar levels. Helps maintain reproductive system health. Eggplant contains folate, an essential nutrient for reproductive system health. Folate is especially important for pregnant women because it can prevent neural tube defects in the fetus. Supports the health of the digestive system. Eggplant is rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Fiber helps maintain the balance of intestinal flora and improves the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract. This can help prevent digestive problems such as diverticulitis and irritable bowel syndrome. Fiber also helps maintain a healthy weight and control blood sugar levels. Promotes weight loss. Thanks to its low caloric content and high fiber content, eggplant is an ally in weight loss. In addition, the dietary fiber present in eggplant provides a feeling of satiety that helps control appetite and prevent overeating. Benefits brain health. Eggplant contains phytonutrients that can improve brain function and help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. These compounds may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Supports heart health. In addition to lowering LDL cholesterol levels, eggplant is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps keep blood pressure balanced. Potassium counteracts the negative effects of sodium on the body, which contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure and improve blood circulation. These beneficial effects contribute to maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Strengthens the immune system. Eggplant contains vitamin C, a key antioxidant to strengthen the immune system and fight infections. It also provides other essential nutrients, such as vitamin B6, folic acid, and minerals such as potassium and manganese, which are important for maintaining a healthy immune system. Protects against cancer. Some preliminary studies suggest that antioxidants present in eggplant, such as anthocyanins and polyphenols, may have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and protect DNA from oxidative damage. Support for optimal liver health. Some studies suggest that the compounds present in eggplant may help protect and detoxify the liver. This can be beneficial for people with liver disease or for those who wish to maintain a healthy liver. To get the benefits of eggplant, you can include it in different ways in your diet. Here are some ways to enjoy the benefits of this vegetable. Raw consumption. You can add thin slices of raw eggplant to your salads to take advantage of its nutrients. Be sure to choose ripe and fresh eggplants. Roasted in the oven. cut the eggplant into slices or cubes and bake it in the oven with a little olive oil and spices. This way of cooking highlights its flavor and texture. Sautéed or sautéed wok, cut the eggplant into small pieces and sauté with other vegetables in a wok with olive oil or other healthy oil. You can add your favorite seasonings to enhance the flavor. Baking or grilling, cut the eggplant into thick slices and bake it in the oven or on a grill until tender. This will give it a smoky and delicious taste. Stuffing, make stuffed eggplants with a mixture of vegetables, meat, or grains. Fill the eggplant halves and bake until tender and the filling is cooked. Eggplant sauce, you can make an eggplant sauce by roasting or steaming the eggplant and then crushing it with other ingredients like garlic, lemon, and olive oil. This sauce can be used as a dressing, to spread on toast or as a pasta sauce. Steamed eggplant, steam eggplant until tender and then serve with a little olive oil, lemon juice and fresh herbs. Use it as a substitute for meat. The fleshy texture of eggplant makes it a good substitute in vegetarian or vegan dishes. You can use it instead of meat in lasagna, meatballs or veggie burgers. Although eggplant is a healthy food, there are some contraindications and precautions to be aware of. Here are a few. Sensitivity or allergy. Some people may be allergic or have sensitivity to eggplant. If you experience symptoms such as itching, swelling, shortness of breath or rashes after consuming eggplant, you may be sensitive or allergic to this food. In such a case, it is important to avoid its consumption. Solanine content. Eggplant belongs to the nightshade family, just like potatoes and tomatoes. These foods contain solanine, a substance that in large amounts can be toxic. However, the solanine content in eggplant is very low and usually does not pose a problem for most people. Even so, if you have any disease or condition that makes you more sensitive to solanine, it is advisable to moderate your eggplant consumption. Interference with certain medications. Some studies have suggested that compounds present in eggplant may interfere with the absorption of certain medications, such as blood thinners. If you are taking any medication, it is advisable to consult your doctor before incorporating large amounts of eggplant into your diet. Possible oxalate buildup. Eggplant contains oxalate, a compound that may contribute to the formation of kidney stones in some people. If you have a history of kidney stones or a condition that increases your risk of developing them, it is advisable to moderate your consumption of oxalate-rich foods, such as eggplant. Interference with iron absorption. Some studies suggest that eggplant may affect iron absorption in the body due to the presence of inhibitory compounds. If you have iron deficiency or anemia, it is advisable to consume eggplant along with foods rich in vitamin C, as this vitamin can improve iron absorption. Solapamine content. In some varieties of eggplant, especially unripe ones, a compound called solapamine has been found, which can be toxic for human consumption. However, varieties grown and marketed are usually safe for consumption after they have matured properly. It is important to note that the benefits mentioned above are backed by scientific research. It is recommended to incorporate it as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle to make the most of its nutritional properties. In addition, some people may have intolerance or allergy to eggplant, so it is important to be aware of any adverse reactions when consuming it. In short, eggplant is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that can provide a number of health benefits. From its ability to protect the heart and improve brain health to its role in managing diabetes and promoting weight loss, eggplant is a food worth including in a balanced diet. And that's a wrap on our exciting journey through the world of eggplants, from their fantastic benefits to the times when we should proceed with care. With this newfound knowledge, you can now embrace the goodness of eggplants in your culinary adventures and healthy eating habits. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear from you, so drop your questions and experiences in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're among the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights on health, flavor, and enhancing your daily meals. Thanks for joining us on this eggplant adventure. Remember, Just like these versatile veggies, a little knowledge can go a long way in creating delicious and nutritious meals. Stay curious and keep on cooking.